I knew this was coming. Hold up. Oh, it's... Ay, ay, ay. I expected a flash flood warning. What is this?
The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or
Yeah, I know. Shut it.
Harvard,
Sorry.
Charlotte, Collier, Miami-Dade, DeSoto, Lake, Hardy, Henry, Fernando, Highlands, Hillsborough, Indian River, Lake, Lee, Manatee.
Got it on my phone, so I knew this was coming. I had to leave the video chat.
Orange,
Wow.
Osceola, Palm Beach, Pasco, Pinellas, Hope, St. Lucie, Sarasota, Seminole, Sumter, Florida, at 7:23 p.m. on August 3rd, 2020, effective until 9:23 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Joshua Quimperon, white Hispanic male, 2 weeks old, 20 inches tall, 8 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen in the area of the 4,900 block of Fisherman's Drive in Coconut Creek, Florida, who was last seen wearing a gray and blue onesie. The child may be in the company of Jonathan Garcia, the white Hispanic male, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 150 pounds,
Shorty,
white hair
heavy
and
ass.
brown eyes, who was last seen wearing a red shirt and blue pants. Garcia has a feather and arrow tattoo on his right forearm and red lips on the left side of his neck. The subjects may have been seen in a silver sub driven by an older Hispanic male in the Oakland Park area. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Coconut Creek Police Department at 1-954-973-6700 or 911-Flamber.
Bro, but a 2-week-old child. Holy shit. Oh my god. It's a 2-week-old child.